Unveiling the Depths. Understanding, drawn into the abyss. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and explore its rich expressions. Today, we're tackling a fascinating phrase, drawn into the abyss. This expression is not just about literal depth but carries a wealth of metaphorical meaning. Stay tuned as we unravel the layers behind these words and how you can use them to enhance your English communication. Drawn into the abyss is a phrase that combines two powerful images. Firstly, drawn suggests being pulled or attracted to something, often without the ability to resist. Secondly, the abyss refers to a deep, immeasurable space, traditionally seen as dark and bottomless. Together, they conjure an image of being irresistibly pulled towards something profound, dangerous, or unknown. When we say someone is drawn into the abyss, we're usually not talking about a physical fall. Instead, this expression is rich in metaphorical meaning. It's often used to describe situations where someone is pulled into a state of despair, a harmful influence, or a complex situation from which escape seems impossible. This phrase beautifully captures the sense of being overwhelmed or consumed by something much larger or more powerful than oneself. In literature, the protagonist was drawn into the abyss of his own mind, struggling to find a way out of the darkness. In everyday conversation, ever since he started gambling, it's like he's been drawn into an abyss, losing more than just money. In academic discussion, the study delves into how individuals are drawn into the abyss of social media, often at the expense of real-life connections. To effectively use drawn into the abyss in your English conversations or writing, consider the context. It's perfect for situations that evoke strong emotions or describe someone's deep involvement in a challenging scenario. Remember, this expression is quite dramatic, so it works best in contexts where you want to emphasize the depth of struggle or the pull of negative influences. Drawn into the abyss is a powerful expression that adds depth and emotion to your language. It's a testament to the beauty of English in capturing complex human experiences with just a few words. We hope this exploration helps you appreciate and use this phrase more effectively in your own communications. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to diving into more fascinating aspects of the English language together. Stay curious and keep learning.